Hi, my name is Brian.
My name is Carby, and I'm an MIT graduate, and I've posted 3 articles in Scientific America, and I've won Math Counts competition twice as a 13-year-old.
Oh my God! Sweet Lord Jesus!
Hi, my name is Rohan, and I'd say I'm pretty famous.
Is that thing on? Is it on? Am I recorded? Oh, okay. Alright. So yeah, they offered me, a free sandwich and some sodas, so I was like, hey, why not?
To prove I'm better than everyone else. Duh.
Now, the reason I'm here today is just because I want people to know how famous I am. Like, I started out as no one, now I'm on a game show. That's how big I've become.
Polar bears. Well, my calculus class touched on this last year. See, I believe you have these 2 points, you see. You have r and you have theta. And r is the direct distance from O to P, whereas theta is the direct angle in the array from O to P.
We're in the middle of an interview. If you can just turn around, because the camera guy's, here.
Alright, what?
So, what do you know about polar curves?
The question isn't what I do know, it's what I don't know.
Yes,
Obviously,
we
my
know.
PhD...
Yes, we know. We already covered types of polar graph and Cartesian coordinates from Brian, our other contestant. Do you have anything else to add?
Well, of course, there's the whole calculus behind polar curves. The equation of a tangent line to a polar curve is calculated by the equation dy dx, like any other curve. The actual equation is f prime of theta times sine theta plus f prime of theta cosine theta all over f prime theta cosine theta minus f prime theta sine theta.
Oh, so it's kind of like calculating the area between 2 regular graphs.
I guess.
Actually, we have a couple more questions, and that
We're done here.
we still have a couple more questions if you want. So we just have one more question for you.
Yeah, sure.
What does a polar curve look like?
A what?
A polar curve.
What?
A polar curve.
North and south. Well, I got you.
What math class did you take?
What?
What ain't no math class I ever heard of? Do they do calculus in what?
What?
Calculus. Did you learn it?
Yes?
Then what does a polar curve look like?
It's got the curves and it looks like petals, like you got the rose curve and stuff like that.
What else?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've been studying stuff for a good few hours, and I'm getting a real hang of this. I think I'm doing good. I got this. This is in the bag. I got this.
Hello everyone, welcome. Today's game show is being focused on polar curves. Let's get to the contestants. Is everyone ready?
Sure.
Excellent. Let's start with the first question. Which one of these graphs is a Limassol curve?
I have a question. Shouldn't this be a PG show? Why are we talking about curves? That's disgusting.
God damn it, Rohan. Anyone else?
Well, despite this being a very basic question, the answer is quite simple. A Limassol curve is defined as a roulette which is rotated around the outside of a curve of equal radius.
Your time's up, please. Yeah, yes.
What is graph 5?
Oh, correct. I'm surprised.
Next question. In this polar curve with the equation y equals 2 minus 2 cosine theta between angles negative pi over 4 to pi over 4, what is the area?
Oh god.
Pie. I like to eat that. You know, it's really yummy in my tummy. Do we got pie on set?
Why is he here?
Time to redeem myself. What is 0.313?
Oh, yes. Oh, thank god this is going faster than I thought it would be.
Next question. When y equals 1 plus cosine theta and is rotated around the x-axis, what is one of the lines that is formed?
Give me a second. 2.
Did you just check the answer and get it wrong?
I don't know what you're talking about, man.
Yeah.
8.
Okay.
No, wait, 9. 4-2.
You-
I don't know. Oh, Miss Kelly!
This is your final answer.
You're an idiot.
I'll pass.
He had it right the first time. It's 8.
Correct. Why am I here?
When you rotate the graph y squared equals cosine 2 theta around the x-axis, what is the surface area of this solid formed?
What's pi times a quantity 4 minus 2 root 2?
Correct. Well, it doesn't get much clearer than this, folks. Looks like Harvey's in the lead with 10,000 points. Brian is in second place with 500 points. And of course, Charlotte Paul has a big goose egg. That comes down to the last bonus question. What will each of you wager?
I'll wager all I've got.
I wager like 1 point.
I'll wager an omelet.
Bro, you mad?
What? I'm wagering my omelet. He said I got a goose egg, so I'm gonna turn it into an omelet.
A goose egg means 0, you fool. Anyways, it looks like this next question is going to completely change the outcome of the game. Let's see what happens. Here's the final question. With the graph y equals root cosine 2 theta and is rotated around the y-axis, what is the surface area created by this solid?
Pi root 2.
Why do you eat? Oh my god, he's right.
Yes! Yes! I won! I'd like to thank the Academy.
Wait,
I'd like to thank
Academy.
I'd like to thank my neighbor.
You won,
who
Brian.
gave me
He's
10
just-
bucks this morning for a cab ride. I'd like to thank.
Let him
I'd
have
like
his
to thank
moment.
This opportunity, everyone here, the audience. I
Well,
love
thank you guys
You
for
did a
coming.
great job.
It's
Thank
been a
you so
great
much.
show. Somebody take him
Great.
outside. Oh, for the love of God, somebody take him outside.
No, no, I won! I won!
Wait for me! A sandwich!